Good morning, dear. Earlier, we have discussed about latitude, longitude, yeah, we can say India size and location. So, earlier we have discussed chapter 1 India size and location, or in this, we have discussed about the latitude extension of India from 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degrees 6 minute, and longitude extension of India 68 degrees 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute east. We have discussed about the standard meridian of India, 82 and a half east longitude. We have discussed about the land border of India, that is 15,000, and we have 15,200 kilometers. We have discussed about the coastal border area, 7,516.6 kilometers. So we discuss in details about the India. Where is the India located in the northern hemisphere, and what is the size, 3.20 million square kilometer. So in details we have discussed. In chapter 2, dear, we will discuss about the physical divisions. What are the physical divisions? Physical divisions are part of those we can see through our naked eyes with the different type of divisions. Different. This is suppose we can see the mountain, if we can see the plateau, rivers part, okay, delta part, desert. So these are the different physical divisions. Physical means the relief. Relief means physical features. We can see the land, different land features. So these are known as the physical. So India is divided into six different physical divisions. In this chapter, we'll discuss about six major physical divisions of India. First, India divided into Himalaya. Okay, so in this topic, we'll discuss about the Himalaya. Himalaya is divided into three categories. We'll discuss Great Himalaya, which extend at the top part at the high latitudes. Is most of time it covered by the glacier or ice. It is too much cold. Temperature is minus, which is the highest peak in that area. We'll discuss in detail. We'll discuss about the Middle Himalaya. Middle Himalaya is also known as the Himachal Himalaya, and most of tourist spots are located in that area. Which one is the highest peak of this mountain? And this Middle Himalaya. And later on we'll discuss about the Shivalik range. This is the southern lower Himalaya. That is known as the southern Himalaya and also known as the lower Himalaya. We'll discuss about the Himalaya, and we'll discuss length of the Himalaya from Jammu Kashmir to till Assam. We'll discuss about from north to south extension of Himalaya. What is the north to south extension? We'll discuss how to Himalaya is divided from west to east at the basis of different river system. We'll discuss about the Kali river system, Tista river system, Indus river system, which known by the Himalaya different name like a Kumau Himalaya, Purvanchal Himalaya, okay, Nepal Himalaya. So in this we'll discuss about the detail of Himalaya. What is the average height of Himalaya? Why is the Himalayas known as the Yenfold mountain? How the Himalaya is formed, through the which process? So in this we'll discuss about the first physical divisions of Himalaya in this chapter. Second physical divisions is divided into, that is the northern plains. Northern plains, second physical divisions, will discuss about the northern plains, how northern plains are formed, which are the three main river system, river basin, which form the northern plains. We'll discuss Indus, Ganga River, Brahmaputra River, and their tributaries also from the northern plains. Northern plains also known by the Sundarban Delta, which trees are mostly located in that area. What is the slope of the Ganga river? We'll discuss about in the northern plateau area. And what are the different tributaries which are the joined to the Indus river? Like we'll discuss Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi, Beas, Satluj. We'll discuss in the detail about the northern plains. What is the size of the northern plains? Why it is the fertile plains? What are the different structure we can see inside the northern plains? We'll discuss which are the states where it extend in the northern plains, and from the lower Himalaya to how the northern plains is divided into Babar, Tarai, Khadar. in that different sub name. So we'll discuss in this chapter about the what is the Babar, what is the Trai area, what is the Bhangar area. In this chapter, in this topic, we'll discuss about the northern plains in details. Third is desert area, which mostly located in our state. Third physical features is the desert. Here it is not in orders. I am taking in my whatever my wish. Okay, so if maybe different order is given inside your book, so doesn't matter. So next physical features is the desert. We'll discuss about the desert, where the desert is extension, in which state mostly desert is located, which river flow in the desert part. We'll discuss about the Luni River. We'll discuss about the salt and sweet water lake and how the sand dunes are formed in desert. Why is the what are the climatic condition of desert? We'll discuss about in this chapter. We'll discuss what is the average rainfall which received by the desert, approximately 50 to 60 centimeter rainfall by the desert. And we'll discuss another one important topic, why is the most of desert located at the western part of any nation or continent. Next physical features, we'll discuss about the peninsula, yeah, Deccan Plateau. In this, that is the more important physical feature. It is three south. Why? What is the peninsula? Peninsula is the land part which is surrounded three sides by water. That is known as the peninsula plateau. Peninsula plateau will discuss which are the main river, which flow, and what type of rocks formation of the Deccan Plateau. Will discuss igneous rock also, and will discuss subdivision of the Deccan Plateau. It is divided into Borat. It is divided into middle part, whereas it is divided into Bundelkhand. It is divided into Chota Nagpur Plateau. So sub part of the Deccan Plateau we will discuss. That is Malwa Plateau. From the Narmada and Tapi River, Vindhyachal range we will discuss. Narmada River will discuss about the Tapi River. We will discuss about the Vindhya range, Satpura range, which are located in Deccan Plateau. We'll discuss which is the highest peak of Deccan Plateau. We'll discuss about the Anaimuti mountain, which divide Indian monsoon into two parts. In this topic, we'll discuss about the Bundelkhand Plateau. We'll discuss about the Chota Nagpur Plateau. These are the sub part of Deccan Plateau and Peninsula Plateau. So in this chapter, all these points we'll discuss here. And after this, fifth is the coastal plains. We'll discuss about the coastal plains, how the coastal plains are divided into different parts. We'll discuss about the Western Ghats. We'll discuss about the Eastern Ghats. Western coastal plains are divided. Western Ghats is more higher compared than the Eastern Ghats. What is the rain shadow? We'll discuss in this topic. We'll discuss out of the from Mumbai to Goa divided into which name Konkan. Another one Goa to Kerala, that is known by the which name. We'll discuss from Kerala to Kanyakumari, known by which physical coastal plains. We'll discuss Northern Sarkar. We'll discuss Coromandel part. We'll discuss and why these coastal plains affected by the eastern cyclones and during the eastern disturbance during the month of October, November. We'll discuss this extra thing during this coastal plain. So in this we'll discuss about the coastal plains and dividation of the coastal plains into the sub part. We'll discuss about the which are the rivers which make these coastal plains, which flow in that area, which river from the delta in this part. And last physical divisions is the island. Last physical divisions we'll discuss in this about the island. There are two island group are located in India. One is the Bay of Bengal, like Andaman Nicobar. Okay. Another one is the Lakshadweep Island group. Capital of Andaman Nicobar. We'll discuss Port Blair. It is located in Bay of Bengal. We'll discuss about the island group. We'll discuss about the Lakshadweep Island group, which is located in Indian Ocean. Capital is the Kavaratti. We'll discuss why this island is known as the coral island due to the deposition of coral and what type of vegetations are found. tropical evergreen are found in that areas. We'll discuss about the climatic condition of this island. We'll discuss about the which is the southernmost island of India, which is the southernmost island of India. So in this, we'll discuss about the different physical divisions in details during the revision year. So these are the 6 physical divisions. अब next issues come कि out of this physical divisions made up. ये physical divisions बनते कैसे हैं? तो in this chapter we'll discuss about the convergent plate. We'll discuss about the divergent plate. We'll discuss about the transform plate. So in this topic we'll discuss when two plates move in same direction, some part may be uplifted. That is known as the convergent plate. When two land masses move in same direction and land masses may be uplifted due to the pressure, that is known as the convergent plane. So diagram is given in your book. We'll discuss about in details like this. If these are the two plates and move in same direction, that is known as the convergent, and due to the pressure it may be uplifted like this. Okay, another one we will discuss about the divergent plate. Divergent plate move in opposite direction. Move opposite direction. So what happens? You know, fault may be made, fault or valleys. If two plates move in opposite direction like this, and such type of fault or valleys may be made up by that. This is known as the divergent plate. We'll discuss when two plates move horizontal, when two plates maybe move the horizontals like this. So in this we'll discuss about that. We also discuss in this chapter about the tectonic plates. What are the tectonic plates? So you know our continents are part of our earth, and these are known as the large land masses. So in this chapter we'll discuss about early time all land are part of only one land masses. All continents were part of only one land masses, that is known as the Pangea. So in this chapter we'll discuss about the Pangea, how to this continent are separated from each other and what was the process, and how to these are the separated from each other, and Australia separated from the Eurasian plate, Europe plus Asian plate, you know, and Southern America is separated from the African plate. So we'll discuss about that plate tectonics theory also. Through the plate tectonics theory, we'll discuss how to this plate tectonic theory is given and what is the plate tectonic theory, which are the 7 land masses, Asia continent, you know, Pacific Ocean also one plate, Northern America plate, Southern America plate, African plate, Europe plus Asia is the Eurasian plate like this. So we'll discuss in this chapter. This chapter is interesting here. Or we'll discuss first about the physical divisions of these are made, what are the different movement of the plates, and we'll discuss what are the plate tectonics theory, and we'll discuss later on about the different physical divisions in details. Okay, dear. So tomorrow onwards we'll start this chapter and we'll discuss. Today I have given only introduction.